Alrighty, hey YouTube. So last night I went to my local hardware store and I went to Walmart. So yeah, what I got was this handy dandy craft paper. It's not really craft paper, but it's usable. I used to make these tubes right here. Yeah, it's pretty crappy. Freaking got all waterlogged last night. And this too. And then I went and bought some glue. This was $1. Wood glue is perfect since I'm using that. And then I got the Jet Light Ronson Zippo lighter. Not really a Zippo, but it's a torch. So that's always good. Perfect for lighting some fireworks and getting away. And then I got 3 rolls of electrical tape for $1 and then pretty much that's all I got. But I thought I'd just show you guys an update on my fireworks stash and homemade fireworks. Here I got a mini salute shell, homemade. Here I got a can shell. It goes stars, flash powder, stars, and a salute with the black powder on the bottom for its lift charge. And then some utensils, razor. I got my stars. Let me open that up. Put you down for a little quick. Okay. Here's my stars. There's smaller stars at the bottom if you guys can see that. And here I got my charcoal. Some powder with some rice hulls on it. You can see the rice hulls. And here I got my black powder, also known as flash powder, lift charge powder, whatever it's called, you guys call it. And in this small little container right here, I got some fuses, some homemade fuses, a bunch of that. I got this, maybe a foot of visco fuse, and I got my time fuse, a little bit. This I got out of one of these shotgun shells. So, yeah. And just something to make that out of, this thing right here. And then homemade tube. It's not really that good, but who cares? Another homemade tube. My 1-inch mini thunder tube. And here I got some utensils, all that stuff, some paper for making shells. Oh, by the way, I made, I think it's a 1-inch shell. Yeah, it's a 1-inch shell. Yeah, it's a 1-inch shell. That's half of it. The other half's over here drying. There is my shell. Yeah, that just fell off, but there's my shell. I made this big enough so I can put this in it. So, yeah. Thought I'd just show you guys all the stuff I got. There's more in there, but I'm too lazy to show you guys. Plus, I'm over my 3-minute limit, so peace out. Oh yeah, And here I got my glue. So yeah, some wood glue. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, rate, subscribe, and I will be doing another giveaway, or a giveaway of this or something, wood glue, some paper, or something you guys want, like Canon fuse or something. I have to make a new order of Visco fuse. So yeah, please like, rate, subscribe, and every 100 subscribers, like I said in my previous video, I will be doing a giveaway. So yeah, please like, rate, subscribe, share this video, get it out there, and yeah, thanks guys for watching.